In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana as a personal task manager. Hi everyone! By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple, reliable system to organize your day and keep track of everything that matters, all inside Asana. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and navigating to your workspace. Your workspace is the main area where your projects live. If you have multiple workspaces, choose the one you want to use for your personal tasks so everything stays in one place. Next, click the plus icon for New Project and choose Blank Project. This gives you a clean slate without any templates, which is perfect for building a simple, personal setup from scratch. Give your project a clear name, like My Personal Tasks, so it's easy to find later. Then pick your preferred layout, list or board. List view works well if you like a straightforward linear checklist. Board view is great if you prefer a visual, column-based layout similar to a Kanban board. You can switch views later if you change your mind. Now create your sections. Click Add Section and make 3 simple categories: To Do, In Progress, and Completed. This structure creates a clear workflow from start to finish. You can always rename or add more sections later as your system evolves. Under each section, start adding tasks for the items you want to track. Keep task names short and action-focused, like Pay Utility Bill, Draft Resume, or Book Dentist Appointment. If it helps, add a brief description to capture extra context. Click any task to open the task panel. Set a due date to give yourself a clear target and keep commitments visible. Add subtasks to break big tasks into smaller, doable steps. This helps you make measurable progress and avoids overwhelm. If you want more detail, use tags or custom fields to highlight things like priority or task type, such as high priority, home, or work. As you work, move tasks between sections to reflect progress. Drag an item from To Do into In Progress when you've started, and move it to Completed when it's done. This simple motion gives you a quick view of what's on your plate and what you've accomplished. Use the calendar or board view to visualize your schedule. Calendar view helps you see due dates over time and spot busy days, while board view shows you everything by stage at a glance. Switch views anytime from the top of your project. Finally, review and update your personal task manager daily. Spend a minute each morning to plan your day and a minute at the end to clean up and reschedule anything you didn't finish. Consistency is the key to staying on track. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.